In every kitchen lurk mysteries, collapsed crumbs, elusive rises, wasted discard. But for me, Chung Chen, the world's greatest crumb detective, every mystery has a solution. The truth about never wasting dough finally revealed. The evidence is clear, citizen. Wasted starter is a crime against flavor, a felony against fermentation. But the solution to this doughy dilemma is surprisingly simple, as you're about to see. The waste with a good sourdough starter. It's a frustration many know. But the solution? It's simpler than you'd think. Just add water to that smaller container, a quick shake, and then into the larger jar it goes with the flour. This gives your fed starter the room it needs to truly rise. Solving the starter waste mystery is just the beginning, gumshoe. Efficiency, that's the name of the game in this dough operation. And after countless investigations, the evidence points to one undeniable truth. Shaping sourdough. It can seem like a mystery, but great results, you can find them right where it rises, in the bowl. No fancy basket needed. Just line with a clean towel, a dusting of flour, and then cover and let rise. With practice, you'll know when your dough is ready to bake. Every seasoned baker knows the truth. Quality ingredients and sharp technique are non-negotiable. It's about finding those trusted sources, those bakery-level hacks that separate the amateur from the ace. To truly give your starter an edge, organic flour is the informant you need. And when you mix, don't just stir. Interrogate it vigorously to activate its true power. And that discard, never throw it out. Learn its potential, use it effectively. Waste not, want not in this baking game. Even with the best intelligence, a new case can always present itself. And few are as vexing as the sticky situation. The dough that fights back. But a good detective always has a trick up their sleeve. Sticky dough is a common culprit, clinging to your hands, refusing to release from its confines. But there's no need for panic. A light dusting of flour on the dough itself, then a sprinkle into a fresh floured towel in another bowl. Gently lift in place. Now your dough is secure, resting peacefully. Case closed. Even the sharpest detective encounters a twist in the tale. And in the world of sourdough, few things cause more despair than a dough that's gone too far. Overproofed, the evidence suggests. But this case too has a solution. Overproofed dough. It's a moment that can test even the steadiest baker. But don't abandon the evidence just yet. A gentle reshape, a final rise in the basket, and then onto a preheated stone. Even if the form changes, the flavor, the essence remains. Flatbread can still be a masterpiece, a delicious conclusion to a challenging case. This, my friend, is how we salvage the seemingly lost cause. And so, another batch of baking mysteries is solved, proving that no dough is truly beyond redemption. Keep your wits sharp, your flour organic, and remember, you never know when you'll crack the next crumb case file. Chung Chen, out.